To troubleshoot your Absa bank savings account, start by identifying the issue you are experiencing. This could be an error with transactions, account access, or statement discrepancies. Once you have identified the problem, gather all relevant information, including your account number, recent transactions, and any error messages you have received. Next, try to resolve the issue online by logging into your Absa online banking platform. Check your account balance, transaction history, and settings to see if you can identify the cause of the problem. If you are unable to find a solution, proceed to the next step. Contact Absa customer service via phone or visit your nearest branch. Explain the issue to the representative and provide them with the information you have gathered. They will guide you through the troubleshooting process and help you resolve the issue. It is also important to check if your account has been dormant or if there are any pending updates that need to be completed. Ensure that your account information is up to date, including your address, phone number, and email address. In addition, review your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. If you notice any unusual activity, report it to Absa immediately. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily troubleshoot your Absa bank savings account and get back to managing your finances with ease. Regularly monitoring your account and addressing issues promptly can help prevent more serious problems from arising. It is also essential to keep your account information confidential and secure to prevent unauthorized access. By taking these precautions and following the troubleshooting steps outlined, you can enjoy a hassle-free banking experience with Absa.